Look at this question. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. What do you mean by collinear? Collinear means the points lie on the same line. We have 3 points, correct? We have 3 points. If the 3 points lie on the same line, then they are said to be collinear points. The 3 points are 1, 5, 2, 3. It's a rough picture. Okay. If we plot the points, it lie in a single line. Okay, we have to prove it. We have to check it. So let us name it A, B, C. Remember the order, we don't know the order of the points. It can be A, C, B or B, A, C. The order of the points we have no idea. Okay. But if the points lie in a line, it is said to be collinear. So in order to check whether it is collinear or not, we have to find the sides. We have to find the sides. I'm going to use distance formula. Let me find out AB, BC and AC. Let me find out. After that I will explain. Let me find out AB. Actually this is a rough picture. We have no idea about the correct order of the points. Okay, so AB, using distance formula, let me find out AB. AB equal to root of x2 minus x1 square will be 2 minus 1 square. y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 5 square. It is root of 2 minus 1 is 1. So 1 square. This is minus 2 square, correct? Minus 2 square is 4. So this is root 5. AB equal to root 5. Next I am going to find out BC, the distance between B and C. Using distance formula, it will be root of x2 minus x1 square will be minus 2 square. Minus 2 square plus minus 11 minus 3 square. Minus 11 minus 3 square. It is root of, this is minus 4 square. Minus 4 square is 16. And this is minus 14. Minus 14 square is what? 196. So 196 plus 16, what is the sum? 212, correct? Is it correct? Yes, 212. Root of 212. So we must reduce it. If there is square root of a larger number, we must reduce it. Otherwise you will not get answer in this case. Root 212, how will you reduce it? First of all, the number to be divided by a perfect square, not 2 or 3. Number to be divided by a perfect square. Let us start with the smallest perfect square, 4. Why I divide by perfect square? Because I want to reduce it. I want to write like 2 root 5 or 3 root 5, something like that. I want to reduce it. To reduce a radical, this type, you have to divide the number by some perfect square. 4. Let me try. 5, 3. Is that correct? Yes. Again, try to, I am saying try to divide by a perfect square. If you are not able to divide by perfect square, no need to do that. Then no need to simplify that. Okay. 53 can be divided by the perfect square 9. 9 is perfect square, correct? 3 square 9. You will get root 7. I mean 7. Is that okay? Okay, I hope you have understood. So what happens? 2 and 2 becomes root of 2 and 2 is actually the product of these three numbers, right? 4 into 9 into 7. Clear? This was my objective, so that I can take the separate square roots for each numbers. Root 4 is 2. Root 9 is 3. Then root 7, we cannot simplify that. So I got BC as 2 into 3 is 6. 6 root 7. I think the given lines are not collinear. I will tell you the reason. Let me find the sides first. Okay. Then next I am going to find out the next side AC. I found AB, BC. Now I am going to find out AC. AC equal to, yes, do use the distance formula, root of AC x2 minus x1 will be minus 2 minus 1 square. Clear? Understood? AC is equal to minus 2 minus 1 square. Minus 11 minus 5 square. Is that correct? Minus 11 minus 5, yes. You will get root of minus 3 square is 9. This is minus 16 square. Minus 16 square, 256. What is this? 365, correct? 365. Are you clear? Okay, understood? Yes. So 365, can I reduce it? 365? Try to divide by perfect square. If you cannot, if you find it very difficult to divide by perfect square, divide by some suitable number. No problem in that. Okay. We prefer perfect square, but you have no idea which perfect square. You have no idea about that. Then you can divide by some suitable number, say prime number. 365 divided by 5, you will get 73, correct? Yes. 73 cannot be divided further. So 365 is simply 5 into 73. You can write 365 as 5 into 73. You cannot take the separate square roots. They are not perfect square. So there is no use in dividing this number. So 365 cannot be simplified further. So the three lines will be said to be collinear if if the picture is like this. AB plus BC must be equal to AC. If the picture is like that, it is clear that AB plus BC will be AC. So how will you check whether the 3 points collinear or not? You have to pick up the greatest side. Which one is the greatest side? One is root 5. The second one is this. Third one is this. Root 365 is the greatest number. You have to check whether the greatest number equal to sum of the other two numbers. Root 5 plus root 212 or 6 root 7. They are not equal. Remember, the 3 points said to be collinear only if what? The greatest side is equal to sum of the smaller sides. If that condition is satisfied, then the points will be collinear. I think you have understood the reason, because if the order is like this, AB plus BC will be the greatest side AC. So this is the way the picture is not necessary to solve this question. So how will you check whether it is collinear or not? Pick up the greatest side and check whether the greatest side is equal to sum of the other two smaller sides. If the sum is equal, the points will be collinear. If the sum is not equal, not collinear. So the answer is not collinear. Okay.